Mahia omako motegno thuolo mokwongo tok loyo klab mar Tusker gol 1-0 e tuke adhula lig maduong' ma pachoka KPL. Kogalo ne oyudo golno makende e dakika mar 7 tok jatugo mar Tusker Collins Odhiambo nolore kende ka notemo duoko opira ne jagol mare. Gor Mahia nitiere gi points 19 tok tugo tuke 8. E tuke mamoko mane obagi odiochieng' ma kawuono, klab mano mar KCB noloyo Mara Sugar gol 1-0 e kinde ma Police FC noyudo loch margi mar 2 kaluwore kod loyo Mathare United gol 1-0. Bidco United gi Bandari nohinyo lum kayiem nono bang' wuok amodhi 0-0.
Yona tena mlinda lango Brano Ponzo, hii sasa ndio kukanyaga nyoka.
Kwanza kabisa kongole kwa Gor Mahia, wamepata alama 3 muhimu, na sisi kwetu Tusker ni mechi ambayo ukiangalia tulikuwa tumedhibiti sehemu nyingi ya mchezo huu, lakini goli ambalo tumeconcede ni goli ambalo halikai vizuri kulingana na hii level yetu. Wamefunga bao la mapema na wakaweza kulizuia mpaka dakika ya mwisho, wakapata alama 3 muhimu. Lakini yote 9, hii ni jambo ambalo tunafaa tulirekebishe mapema kama Tusker. Unajua msimu huu timu ziko imara zaidi. Kwa hivyo tukiweza kuchangia timu zingine mabao, inatuweka katika nafasi mbaya zaidi.
It means a lot. I mean, we didn't do well. We didn't play as we wanted to play because the opponent played on the high, made it difficult for us. It wasn't a good match for us, but what was important was to win, and we've gotten the 3 points. Sometimes you have to win games like that. You have to win ugly. We know that Tuesday we have a match, and so we needed to work on the boys to get them ready by way of resting them, you know, talking to them and letting them understand, have the understanding and how to go about the game.